Hi friends, welcome to Ap4 menu. Today, let's check out a new variation of capsicum curry. Let's go check out the recipe. In a pan, add 2 spoons of oil, 500 grams of capsicum chopped into larger pieces, and saute until the capsicum becomes nice soft. Once the capsicum turns soft, transfer it to a plate. To the same pan, add 2 spoons of oil, 1 cup of onion cut into larger pieces, and saute it till they are nice transparent. Once the onion becomes nice transparent, transfer it to a plate. To a pan, add 2 spoons of oil, 1 spoon cumin seeds, half cup onion finely chopped, and saute it till they are nice transparent. Once the onion turns transparent, add in half cup of chickpea flour and give it a nice mix. Let the chickpea flour roast well in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it till its raw smell goes off. Add half cup tomato and give it a nice mix. Add in salt as per your taste and mix well. Cover and cook until the tomato becomes nice soft. Once the tomatoes are nice soft, add half cup thick yogurt and give it a nice mix. Let this cook for another 2 minutes. Now add in 1 spoon turmeric powder, 2 spoon chili powder, 2 spoon coriander powder and give it a nice mix. Add about 3 cups of water approximately and adjust the consistency of the gravy and bring it to a boil. Once the gravy is cooked well and starts to boil, add in the roasted capsicum and onion and give it a nice mix. Along with it, add 1 spoon of garam masala and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Your yummy and tasty capsicum curry is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.